Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. How many surahs are in the Quran? A. 114, B. 140, C. 144, or D. 414. There are 114 surahs in the Quran. Question number 2. Which surah is regarded as the heart of the Quran? A. Fatiha, B. Yasin, C. Yunus, or D. Yusuf? Surah Yasin is regarded as the heart of the Quran. Question number 3. In which year and by what leader were the punctuation signs like Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra put into the Quran? A. 143 Hijri Hujjaj bin Yusuf, B. 67 Hijri Ali, C. 1200 Hijri Umar, or D. 2 Hijri Muhammad? The correct answer is 143 Hijri by Hujjaj bin Yusuf. Question number 4. On which day did the first revelation descend? A. Monday, B. Tuesday, C. Friday, or D. Saturday? The first revelation descended on Monday. Question number 5. Who is the only Sahabi whose name is mentioned in the Quran? A. Bilal, B. Ali, C. Usman, or D. Zayd ibn Harisa? The only Sahabi whose name is mentioned in the Quran is Zayd ibn Harisa. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.